Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and I'm very excited to have all of you today here in my channel. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing me. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful blouse. I don't know yet how I will name it, but I love it. Here I'll give you all my secrets and tips and how you can make it in different sizes. You will decide if you want to make this blouse shorter or longer as a dress or as a crop top, right? But I will make this blouse for me, so I will make this blouse in a large size. But well, before we start, I invite all of you to give me a like, to subscribe, and to share this video. I'm sure that you will love it. Remember that in the last video, I show you how you can make this beautiful set of earrings and of the ring too. So if you miss it, here in the description box below, I will share the link. Let's start. Well, we will start by the neck. We will make this long strip of grannies. We will make 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th rows. This will be one granny square. So it will measure each granny around 20 20 centimeters. Okay, so first we are going to make a long strip that goes all around all shoulders. Remember that for this blouse I will make it in a large size, so we will need 500 grams of this material that is between light or fine, okay, between this weight yarn, and we will use the hook of number 3.5 millimeters. So this is for a large size. Oh no, sorry. This long strip will go in front, will be part of the sleeves and the chest and the other sleeve. So I will need 6 grannies. So for the back, I will need one strip of chains, sorry, of grannies like this one for the back too, that will cover part of the back, the first sleeve and the second sleeve. So first I will show you how we are going to make each granny square, right? So we will start right from the center. So with one thread and with our hook, we are going to make first 5 chains. This hook that I'm using, it's too old, but I don't know, this one is my favorite. It's the one that I always use. But okay, with one thread and with our hook, we will make first 5 chains. And like this is how we are going to start all the grannies, remember. Then we are going to close in circle. We are going to slip one to close. We will take both threads. We will go up with one chain, and then inside we will start making single crochet. And inside we are going to make 16 single crochet without counting the first chain that we made, okay? So like this we are going to continue all around. We are going to fix and pull the stitches because at the end we must have 16 like this, okay? And here we have 16. At the end we are going to slip one to close, and now we are ready to hide this thread, but like we have just these loose threads, we are just going to burn the tip and that's it. So now we will go first with 3 chains. That will be the 3 chains of the double crochets. Then we are going to make 4 chains between. So after the 3 chains we will make 4 chains. Then we will skip one and next to it the first double crochet. You see? Then 4 chains, because remember that between double crochets we are going to make 4 chains, and again we will skip one and a double crochet. Well, and like this we are going to continue the whole row. Remember that between double crochets we are skipping one chain, so remember that we have as a base 16, right? And like we are skipping one, at the end we will have 8. So at the end we will have 8 double crochet, right? So see you when we finish this row. Well, at the end we will count and we must have 8 spaces, right? So we will finish with 4 chains and we are going to slip one to close right in the top of the double crochet. So now to make the third row, we will yarn over and we will start making double crochet. So here we have the first one, then 2, all of them inside the first space, you see? Here we have 3 double crochet, 4 and 5. 5 double crochet and then we are going to slip one right over the double crochet. Then again we will repeat, yarn over and again we will make inside 5 double crochet. As you could see, we don't make any change between them, okay? So in each space we are going to make 5 double crochet and we are going to slip one right over the double crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue all around. At the end, remember that we must have 8 petals. Well, at the end, please count that you have 8 petals, okay, and that you have 5 double crochet in each petal. At the end, we are going to slip one to close. Now to start the next row, I will want to slip because I want to arrive until the beginning, until the bottom of the petal. So I want to slip, I will slip one behind, and right here I will start making 6 and 7 chains, and right at the end of the petal, right here behind, we are going to make a single crochet or slip one like you want. Again, we are going to make 7 chains, and right behind where the petal finish, we are going to slip one. So behind is where we are going to make these arches and we are going to make 7 chains, okay? And at the end we will make 8 arches. Well, at the end we will have something like this. At the end you must have and count 8 arches with 7 chains each, okay? Well, we are going to finish slipping one, and now right away we are going to make inside these arches 7 double crochet. So here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we are going to slip one right in the join of the next arch, of the beginning of the next arch, and like this we will make these petals and we will have 8 petals with 7 double crochet inside. Well, at the end we will have something like this, right? We are going to slip one to close. So look, we have 2 stages with petals with 8 petals. So now to make the next row, we will slip until the center of this first petal. So we are going to slip one like this until the top and right there in the middle. Okay, so from here we will go up and make chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains, and in the second petal we are going to make 2 arches like this one. So we are going to insert the hook right here in the beginning, and then from here we will go up with 10 chains again, 9 and 10, and we are going to skip 2, and right in the center in the middle we are going to slip one. So here we have 2 joints, and at the beginning we only have 1. So in the next petal we will have only 1 joint, and like this we are going to alternate. We are going to make this joint right here in the middle. So in the next petal we are going to make 2 joints like this, 1 and 2. Okay, so we are going to alternate. Once we are going to make 1 joint, and once we are going to make 2 joints. So like this is how we are going to continue all around. So in the next petal we are going to make two joins, one join here and one right here in the top. Okay, so at the end we will have something like this, right? So remember that we alternate the joints and we will finish uh, having something like this. So please check that you alternate correct, and you are going to slip one until the middle of this first arch. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more to arrive right here in the center. So from here we will go up, no, we will turn over twice, and right away we will go to the next arch, and right there we are going to make a triple double crochet. I still don't remember how one of you told me that this is the correct name, but yes, it's a triple double crochet, right? So please let me know if I said it incorrect, but well, we are going to make like this one 5 triple double crochet like this, and one more. So we'll take 2, 2, and the last 2. So here we have, counting the chains of the arch, we will have 6, right? So from here we will go up and we will make 10 chains, 8, 9, and 10. Turn over twice, and in the same place we will repeat and make 5 triple double crochet. So here we have 1, 2, be careful, remember take 2 and 2 loops. So here we have 3, then 4. Remember that to have this we will have to yarn over twice, and 5, and we will slip until the middle of the next arch, and now counting the chains that we have here, we will have 6, right? Like we started, like in the beginning. And well, I suggest that you put here a marker to point it out where we start the row. So here I will repeat because I feel that I didn't take the change correct. So I will take these 2 threads and I will make single crochet or slip one like you want. So now from here I will go up with 10 chains. So after these 10 chains we are going to insert the hook in the next arch. So this will be for the sides. Remember that we are making a square. For the next corner we are going to repeat. So at the end we must have 4 corners. So we are going to repeat making this triple double crochet, and we will have something like this. We will have 4 corners, and in the sides we are going to make the 10 chains. So see you at the end of this row. Well, so here we finished this row. As you could see, we have 4 corners and we will finish with 10 chains. So remember that here is where we started and where we slip. So we are going to finish and slip one to close right here in the top. So like this is how we will have our first granny square. We are going to make a second granny exactly like this one, but we are going to leave the 2 corners without making, because while we crochet and we finish to make the last row we are going to join. So we are going to join 2, 3, 4 and 5 joins with the second square. So here is where I will give you homework and where I will finish the first part. I don't want that this video is too long, so that's why I want to give you homework. I suggest that you complete just one granny square and that you keep making more grannies. Remember that for one strip and for one side of the blouse we will need 6 grannies. So please leave the last row because we will use it to join it, and in the next video I will show you how we are going to join. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, and remember this is the first part, and in the coming video I will share the second part. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.